Hi guys, welcome to this session on Google Sheets. In this module I want to show you how you can sort by the days of the week, which is obviously not an alphabetical sort. I also want to show you how you can sort a list like this list that is also not alphabetical. Now you have to do a few things to get this to work. So first of all, let's have a look at this side. So I've got some dates, and then I've got the days of the week, and then I've got a formula that is giving me the number of that day of the week. So there's three things going on here. Now what I'm going to do is just create that over here. So I'll do today's date, and I'll just pull that down a little bit, get myself a few dates. Now this cell is just going to equals that. Just press enter and just tick that fill down. So that fills it down. So we've just got a complete duplicate set of dates. But in this set, I want to change the format that's displayed to reflect this. So if I go to the Format tab, and then you've got number options, and if I come right down to the bottom of this list, you've got custom date and time. So there's the option that's there from before. If I drop this list down, you can see you've got different options that you can select there. So that's the one I want, so it's just remembering what I've set there. So I'll just apply that, and then it puts it in the day format. It's still a date, but it puts it in the day format. Now if I want this table, so I just give this a little title, date and day. If I want this to be sorted so all the Mondays come first, or Sundays come first, then Mondays second, and you can change that order, I need to do another thing. So I'm going to put weekday as a title here. I need to know what the weekday is of that date. So basically Thursday should be the 5th day of the week, with Sunday being the first day. So the function is equals weekday, and then click on the cell, press enter on that. It comes up with 5, and then I'll do control and enter to fill that down. So now I've got the days of the week. Now I can highlight this table and go to the sort option, go to advanced sort, and then you've got column E. I'll tick that option. So I want this to sort by weekday, and then sort, and then it will bring me Sunday to the top, like so. And if I pull this list down, so let's just highlight this so I get another Sunday and a few Mondays. So pull that down, then I do that sort again, data sort, highlight it first, data sort, advanced sorting options. My list has a header, weekday, OK sort. Now it's putting all the Sundays together, all the Mondays together, etc., etc. So that's how I can sort by days of the week. I could then just hide this column. This is just a helper column, this weekday column, if that's what you wanted to do. But I'm just going to delete that one now and look at this one. So that's the days of the week. This one's a bit more involved. Let's say that I have a list of executive officer, directing officer, don't know what that means, and admin assistant, just a list that needs to be sorted in this order. Now obviously this is not an alphabetical list, so A to Z, Z to A wouldn't work. So what I've done here is just put an if function, a nested if function, to give it a score on the door basically, and that is the function that I've used. So if I just recreate this one for you, I'll just copy this down out of the way down here, and then do the same thing. So it's equals if, open the bracket. So then if that cell equals EO, I need to put that in quotes, EO, close quotes, comma, 1, comma, another if. if that cell equals DO, it's not case sensitive, comma 2, comma another if, open the bracket on the if that cell equals FJ, comma 3, comma another if, and lastly if that cell equals AA, comma 4. And then for every open if, you have to close the bracket. Now I don't need to do a false, but I will do a false, comma, if none of those are true, quote quote, leave it blank. And then I've done 4 open ifs, so I need to do 4 close brackets. So let's just check I've got all the quotes in there. I think that's okay. Press enter and then control enter to fill that down. So I now get this order 1, 2, 3. So this is like a little helper column. So if I put this APPT appointment and then put that as order as a title, and then just make this a bit bigger, just highlight a few of these, copy those, push them down the bottom there. Okay, same thing, highlight the list, go to data, sort range, advanced sorting options, make sure you tick that, and then you've got your 2 columns, appointment and order. Order is what I want, sort. So all the 1s should come to the top, then the 2s, etc, etc. And if you so wish, you can hide that column once you've sorted it and then show it again afterwards, or unhide it, you know, just bring it back. If you need to add extra things on and need to sort the list again, you just unhide the column up there and pull the formula down if you've added extra ones, and then resort it again and then hide the column again. But this is just a tool to help you create a sort on a non-alphabetical list. First one was days of the week, second one was just a list that had to be in a specific order. So hopefully this little video has been of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.